here is where we need to be crystal clear. Let's talk about what the research actually shows, though, for using this peptide for the skin. So a lot of the excitement around GHK copper comes from its role in tissue repair. In laboratory studies like cells in a dish, as well as small animal models, GHK copper shows promise for increasing the amounts of growth factors, namely VEGF and fibroblast growth factor, which are necessary for the formation of healthy blood cells and new blood cell growth. GHK copper might also stimulate fibroblasts to produce collagen and elastin. Improved blood vessel growth is going to bring in oxygen and growth factors necessary to heal damaged tissues. Ultimately, that's going to be beneficial for promoting wound healing and collagen remodeling. Ultimately, that's going to be key for promoting wound healing and regeneration. There are also some small clinical studies that suggest that applying GHK copper to the skin topically may help in improving skin texture and supporting wound healing. It also appears to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can be incredibly helpful for reducing oxidative stress and inflammatory pathways like NF-kappa B. But here is where we need to be crystal clear. This research largely is coming from in vitro studies, cells in a dish, in isolation, not in actual human beings. The human clinical trials are very, very limited and small. In other words, they're not robust enough to draw any meaningful conclusions about the anti-aging effects of this peptide. One of the biggest claims I hear influencers making is that GHK copper is going to boost collagen and elastin production, helping to diminish and improve the appearance of wrinkles. They usually just say boost collagen and reverse aging. Truthfully, there's some biological plausibility here. As you'll recall from my video on the role of copper in our diet and our overall skin health, copper is essential for the function of enzymes that produce collagen and elastin. GHK copper might just serve to deliver copper in an effective way to the skin for healthy collagen and elastin building. In experimental models, it's been shown to increase extracellular matrix proteins and to improve dermal epidermal integrity. However, these are experimental models, not the same as proving that it's anti-aging in humans. We simply do not have high-quality human studies with this peptide to support the claim that it's good for anti-aging. Even topical GHK copper, the data there is very limited to say for sure if even that route is effective for improving the appearance of wrinkles and collagen production in any clinically meaningful way.